Hello students, welcome to today's session of maths. Children, I hope you all have watched all the earlier videos of maths. You have to write them down in the notebook. I hope you will be doing that. From the last two videos, you learned about the properties of square and rectangle and the formula to find the perimeter and area of square and rectangle. Today, we are going to discuss a question from textbook. See in the figure, you can see so many dots. See the outer boundary is rectangular in shape, right? What's the length of this rectangle? We will count how many centimeters are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So length is 15 centimeter and breadth 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 centimeter breadth. It is the measure of this rectangle. 15 centimeter length and 6 centimeter breadth. And inside that so many dots are given. And if we join 4 dots, we will get a square having length 1 centimeter. So measure of the side of the square is 1 centimeter. Like that we can join all the dots and we'll be getting 90 squares. In this rectangle we can form 90 squares, each having the length of 1 centimeter. The next figure, you can see the squares. Here, this way we can join all the dots and form 90 squares. And our question is, how many rectangles can be formed, each containing 12 squares from these dots, from this joining these dots? See, first I have taken lengthwise 12 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 squares I have taken lengthwise. Same way, second square or second rectangle also containing 12 squares. Third rectangle also has 12 squares. Fourth one, fifth one, sixth one. All 6 rectangles have 12 centimeter length and 1 centimeter breadth, right? And the 7th rectangle I have taken from this side, and this also having the length of 6 centimeter and the breadth 2 centimeter. In a rectangle, always the larger measure is called the length and the shorter measure is called the breadth. So length is 6 centimeter here and the breadth is 2 centimeter. So total how many rectangles are there? 7 rectangles, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out of these 7 rectangles, 6 rectangles have the same measure, 12 centimeter length and 1 centimeter breadth. The 7th one, 6 centimeter length and 2 centimeter breadth. And it is not necessary we have to take the rectangle this way lengthwise only. And the next figure we can say have taken it. Breadth 3 centimeter and length 4 centimeter. See, this way also you can arrange. Here how many rectangles are formed? First you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the side is 7th one. 7 rectangles are here and each one has 12 square, you see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Each one has 12 squares. But here length is different. Here length is 4 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. For 6 rectangles have same measure. And 7th one, like the previous one, 6 centimeter length and 2 centimeter breadth. But here also we are forming 7 rectangles. But 6 of them are having the same measure. Only 7th one's measure is different. So we will see now, can we arrange them in any other way so that we can have some more different measures. See here, if we arrange the rectangles, squares this way, we can form 7 rectangles, but here we are getting the rectangles having 3 different measures. You see the first one. First one I have taken lengthwise. Here length is 12 centimeter and breadth is 1 centimeter. That is the first rectangle of 12 square. The second one, third one, and fourth one. Length I have taken 4 centimeter, breadth 3 centimeter. So 4 3s are tall. They also having tall squares. And in the fifth one, sixth one, and seventh one, the length is 6 centimeter and the breadth is 2 centimeter. So if we arrange the squares this way, we are getting 7 rectangles, but we are getting the rectangles having 3 different measures. Okay, so for solving our question, we will consider this type of arrangement. In all this type, we are getting 7 rectangles having tall squares. That is correct. But here we are getting 3 different types. So I am going to consider this arrangement only. Now we will see the questions. Our first question is, how many rectangles could you make? How many rectangles we made? We made 7 rectangles and each rectangle has tall squares. Okay. Now second question, which of the rectangle has the longest perimeter and which rectangle has the smallest perimeter? In the last video, you already learned the perimeter of the rectangle. What is the formula? The perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Or we will add all the 4 sides together. Side plus, side plus, side plus, side. You can use any one of the formula. Here I am going to use the first one that you have to, in the higher classes, we are going to follow that only. So 2 into length plus breadth. Now, how many types of rectangles we got? We got rectangles having 3 different measures. First one having 12 centimeter length and 1 centimeter breadth. The second one, 4 centimeter length, 3 centimeter breadth. And the third group has 6 centimeter length and 2 centimeter breadth. So perimeter of the rectangle having 12 centimeter length and breadth 1 centimeter is 2 into 12 plus 1. What is 12? Length is 12 and breadth is 1. 12 plus 1 is 13. First we have to add the numbers given in the bracket. Always when we are solving a question, we have to solve the bracket first. So first we have to do the addition. 12 plus 1 is 13. Now 13 we will multiply by 2. 13 2s are 26. So the perimeter of the rectangle having 12 centimeter length and 1 centimeter breadth is 26 centimeter. Okay. Now we will consider the rectangle having 4 centimeter length and 3 centimeter breadth. Like that, how many rectangles we are having in this measure? We have 3 rectangles with 4 centimeter length and 3 centimeter breadth. The perimeter of a rectangle will be 2 into 4 plus 3. Here 4 is the length and 3 is the breadth. 4 plus 3 is 7. 2 into 7 is 40 centimeter. So the perimeter of the rectangle having 4 centimeter length and 3 centimeter breadth will be 14 centimeter. Now we have one more type of rectangle. What is the measure of that rectangle? 6 centimeter length and 2 centimeter breadth. How many rectangles are there in this measure? We are having 3 rectangles with length 6 centimeter and breadth 2 centimeter. Same formula for perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Here length is 6 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter. 6 plus 2, 8. 2 into 8 is 16. Now we got the perimeter of all 3 types of rectangle. First rectangle is having 26 centimeter perimeter. And second type we have 14 centimeter and third type has 16 centimeter. Now we will go back to our question. Which rectangle has the longest perimeter? Which rectangle? The perimeter having 12 centimeter length and 1 centimeter breadth has the longest perimeter. And which one has the shortest perimeter? The rectangle having the length 4 centimeter and the breadth 3 centimeter has the shortest perimeter. Children, I hope you understood the topic. We will meet again with another question in the next video. Bye then.